On this video, you'll see how to use the song Feel It Now by Now United in a fun ELT lesson plan. In this lesson plan, students write a dialogue for a video based on the lyrics of the song, work with an interactive worksheet and much more. For detailed instructions, PDF, answers and free downloadable materials, check the links in the video description.
This is the Song Activity Factory. Get ready. Step-by-step lesson plan. Step 1, 3 minutes.
Show slide 1 with the 2 videos. Have students describe them.
Step 2, 3 minutes.
Show the second slide with an extract from the song lyrics. Students read. Help with the vocabulary.
Step 3, 12 minutes.
In pairs, breakout rooms, students make a dialogue between the 2 people in the video, using words and/or sentences from the lyrics extract. Give them 10 minutes.
Step 4, 5 minutes.
Back to the main room, students read their dialogues.
Step 5, 5 minutes.
Ask students if they recognize the song. Have them talk about it, the band, what the song is like, if it's fast or slow, happy or sad, etc. If they don't recognize the song, have them speculate about it, if it's fast, slow, etc.
Step 6, 5 minutes.
Students listen to the song and check their ideas. Have students say what they understood and thought of the song.
Step 7, 12 minutes.
Share the link to the interactive worksheet. Students read the lyrics and fill the gaps with the number of the correct group of synonyms. Then listen to the song and choose the correct words.
Step 8, 6 minutes.
Students watch the music video and comment on it to finish the activity.
Step 9. Homework.
For homework, ask your students to write a paragraph or a narrative, saying what happens after that conversation they created in Step 3. Watch these videos for more awesome activities.
Subscribe, like and share.